Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul. Today we're going to do some homemade hash browns. If you like the video, please hit like, share, subscribe, tell all your buddies. Remember, we're on poulskitchen.openirc.club. Join us anytime. Lately during COVID, it's kind of been really annoying and it's very frustrating. Amy and I, every now and again, and we don't do this very often, but every now and again we'll go to McDonald's and one of the staples we really enjoy is their hash browns. But there's a problem. It's deep fried. They put a lot of salt in theirs. It's just really not the greatest thing in the world, and to be honest with you, it kind of sucks and it's not healthy. I kind of wish in a way that we could bring a little bit of hash browns home with us every day, but you know that's not going to happen. Or can it? Today we're going to do a quick little video, and I'm going to show you how to make your own hash browns. However, there'll be no salt and there'll be no deep frying. I'm going to use an air fryer. You could bake them if you wanted, that works too. I'm absolutely in love with my air fryer. It's beautiful, it works really great. So here we go. So I found a little trick, and I found this online. And someone actually made a good valid point, especially when you're dealing with somebody like Amy. Amy really enjoys deep fried, or not deep fried, pardon me. Amy really enjoys baked potatoes. It's one of Amy's favorite things. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a plate, you're going to take some potatoes, and this is kind of my quantity I have here, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to take your potatoes, you're going to gash them, you're just going to cut them up really, really good. I mean, you're just going to give them a beating of a lifetime. And then you're going to set them in the microwave for 5 minutes. You're going to turn them around, give them some more cuts. Put them in the microwave again for 5 more minutes. So it's 10 minutes total. Did I say 15? It's 10 minutes total. 5, turn around, cut again, turn around. When we're done that part, we'll be right back. So, but remember guys, you have to take a knife and you have to gouge it just like it's Freddy Krueger. Works a little better if I'm not manning a camera, but my lovely wife is working, so I can't really have her do this for me. So I'm on my own right now, guys. But so just do it that way, and you know what? Bake them, and we'll be right back, and I'm sure you'll like them. See you in a bit. And we're back. So we basically got done mashing the onion and then the potato, and this is pretty much what it looks like. I'll probably end up tweaking this a little bit more depending on what I think of it. So when you're done mixing everything, put some garlic powder, onion, salt, pepper. If you got other spice you want to use, put that in too. It's yours, right? So I mean, you can put whatever you want. So I'm doing this in the air fryer, and I've got the bottom of this painted with oil. I'm going to paint the tops of this with oil, just a little bit. You don't have to put a whole lot, right? Put a little bit in. I'm going to put that in for 19 minutes and 380 degrees in my air fryer. And then one other thing too, you're not going to overlap them, so you're probably going to have to do batches on these. Not a big deal. So if it means you have to do 2 or 3 runs depending on how many you make, then it's 2 or 3, big deal. It shouldn't be very hard, but you're just going to put these on the bottom, and then don't flip. You don't have to do that, but just keep an eye on them. When it gets to you take it out, you see it's already crispy, then they're done. So I'm going to paint these. They're already mixed. I mean, if you have a cookie cutter or something of the shape that you want, you can use that. You can make them look as professional wherever you want. In the morning, we're going to have some hash browns with our breakfast. So I'll be back in about 20 minutes or so once they're out of the air fryer, and we'll see what they look like. This is Chef Paul back with Poul's Kitchen, and here's our final product. I mean, if you look at these are great. They're nice and crispy, they're nice and firm. These are going to be great. They look perfect, they will taste perfect, and they're all completed. Didn't take a whole lot of work, just grinding up the potatoes and getting that done. Nice and healthy, a few spices, some onion in it. You want to fry that up with your bacon and eggs in the morning. That will turn out beautiful. So I hope you guys like them. Drop a comment. Let me know if you tried them. Hopefully they taste good to you and you're really going to enjoy them. So hit the like button, subscribe, share. Join us on poulskitchen.openirc.club. Join us and feel free to chat. So next time, have a great day. Thank you for joining Poul's Kitchen.